Everyone, welcome to British Columbia, the language school. Today in this video, I'll discuss the first question of ISC English language paper, that is composition or essay writing. That directly addresses a high weightage component. Yes, 20 marks students in your language paper. So this video will help my students quickly select the right essay option, understand the importance of structure, and show how smart planning is equal to higher marks. Yes, picking the right topic and planning it smartly will make you a topper. So without any delay, let's begin step by step. So here on your screen you can see the 6 essay options from a past ISC paper. Now the question is what to choose. So to my students I would suggest don't pick an essay just because it sounds easy, but rather ask yourself 3 questions, quick questions. Number 1, do I have enough real or creative content for this? If yes, then go for the topic. Number 2, can I organize this clearly in 4 to 5 paragraphs? If you can, then go for that. Can I keep it engaging till the end? This is the last question. If you are able to keep it engaging, then go for the topic. For example, if you are good at storytelling, choose narrative or descriptive. See, I mostly suggest my students to go for narrative or descriptive because these are easier than the others. But if you like logics and debates, I must say you should go for argumentative or discursive. So once you choose the topic, here comes another question. What to write and how to write for 400 to 450 words. Because your essay is not just judged on what you say, it is judged on how you present it. And that's where structure makes all the difference. Because without a proper structure or proper planning, you can neither write well nor score good marks. So here is a basic 5 paragraph structure that I have brought for my students for their essay writing. Number 1, introduction, that sets the tone or define the idea according to the chosen topic. Number 2, body. Your body includes 3 paragraphs. The first para deals with the first strong point or scene. The second para deals with second point according to the chosen topic or deals with deeper moment. Third para deals with conflict, contrast or peak moment. Then comes the fifth point, that is conclusion. Here you can present your reflection, opinion or your takeaway. Always remember, a clear structure helps the examiner follow your ideas and give you more marks, especially for coherence, logical flow, and planning. Now, let us choose one topic from the given options in your question paper. Let's take success comes to those who take risks, discuss. Yes, this is argumentative. Now, you need not struggle with what to write. You can quickly brainstorm in 2 minutes according to the structure. Let's take the example of this topic. Very first, you can start with introduction. Here you can define success and risk both in the introduction, that will clear out the idea. Now in the body, in the first para, you can write the examples of risk takers. For example, Elon Musk, Kalpana Chawla, you can give their examples. In the second para, you can manage to write something like a balance between risk and planning. You can define, you can put some details about this particular para. And in the third para, you can counter argument like safe paths also lead to success sometimes. This is how you can enhance your ideas, or you can put more details to your topic. Lastly, in the conclusion, you can talk about taking calculated risk leads to growth. This is how you can conclude your topic. Now I'm sure with the help of given structure, you can easily write any topic and score good marks. But here is another secret tip for you, another secret information rather, how structure boosts your marks. According to ISC marking scheme, your composition is categorized in 3 parts. For content or ideas, you are given 10 marks. For organization and planning, 5 marks. For grammar and vocabulary, again 5 marks. So you must keep in mind a well structured essay naturally scores better in all three. That means you need to have a good content or idea, need to have a proper organization of your thoughts, grammar and vocabulary. There should be no mistake in this section. And this is how you can easily score full marks, or 18 plus is nowhere. So next time you face 6 options, don't panic, pick wisely, plan smartly and write with structure. That's the winning formula. Like this video, share it with your classmates and don't forget to subscribe. Let me know in the comments which essay type you struggle with and I'll help you crack this. Till then, take care and bye bye.